Hello students, today we are going to revise the first chapter, that is raindrops. So I'm just briefly explaining the chapter here. So here we are concentrating on the farmer Seth, okay, who had a large field of wheat, students. Okay, he weeded it carefully and prayed for the rain. Okay, so after working hard for many months, he saw it was not raining at all. He saw that the wheat started to wither and droop. So this made him very sad. Okay, so every morning he used to go to the field and looked at the thirsty wheat stacks and prayed for it to rain. So one day what happened? He was looking at the sky hopefully, and the two little raindrops, one is called Pit, another one is Pat, were seeing him. Okay, so Pit decided to come down for farmer Seth because of his hard work, and Pat also joined Seth. So after seeing Pit and Pat, the other raindrops also joined Seth and it formed a heavy rain, students. Okay, so the farmer Seth was very happy and he was very rejoiced that all his hard work was finally rewarded because of one little raindrop tried to do whatever he could do. Alva. So this is about the raindrops chapter, students. Okay, so here we have a tick the correct options. You have to read this as well and answer these questions. For this I am going to post the Nairutya ma'am's video, students. In that video she has in detail explained the question and answers. You have to go through it thoroughly. And now we are moving on to the grammar part. Okay, so in the grammar part you have to concentrate on types of sentences. Okay, so I had explained in detail, students, types of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences, that are statements, orders, requests, questions and exclamations. Okay, so please practice this, and even you have to practice the practice book exercises as well. And here we have one more topic, that is negative sentences. So here never and not we consider as a negative words. Okay, when we use never and not in a sentence, that becomes the negative sentences. So this is also you have to practice, students. Next, we have a question and answers. Very important topic, students, which we had discussed already, that is present tense and past tense. Here we use is, are, do or does in the present tense when we frame a sentence. Was, were, did, we use it in past tense. Okay, so you have to go through the examples of this as well. When we use do and when we use does, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, we use do or does to make a question in present tense. Do or does to frame a question in present tense. We use was, were, did to frame the sentences in past tense. Frame the questions in past tense. You have to remember that. Okay, follow the instructions, and please study the practice book exercises for more revision. Okay, you have to go through the exercise part as well, and we even studied the WH words. Okay, how many WH words we have, students? We have why, what, when, where, which and who. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 WH words, and 1 how is also included in this. Okay, so these are the WH words which we use to frame the questions. Okay, so we have used this in pair work also, and we have included WH words for speaking activity also. Alva, you have to go through the example of this. Students, when we take a practice book, you have a exercise on types of sentences and negative sentences and do, does, or, are. And at last you have a question words examples as well. So total 4 topics has been covered in this in this unit 1, students. Please go through the practice book and the course book as well. Okay, please refer it properly, students, for your unit test. Thank you, students.